Welcome to Archiversity online lectures. In my lecture on how to create a form in Microsoft Excel, I shown you how to create a form in a Microsoft Excel and enter the data from your questionnaire to the Excel database. While entering data using a form in Microsoft Excel, instead of the variable option names, you may have entered the numbers. That is, for example, if gender is there, a variable, and which has got a two options, one is a male and second is a female. So while entering the data, you may have entered either one, that is a male, or a two as a female. Now while making an analysis, you may be wondering how to convert these numerics into a text. That means which actually it represent. That means you need to show them as a male and a female. In this lecture, I'll show you how to find and replace number values to a variable option values. It is same questionnaire which we used in the previous examples also. Assuming that using these questions, you created a form and entered the values here. So gender here 1, which actually represents the male, 2, which actually represents the female. And this is how you entered the data. Now you want to replace these values, that is the numerical values, with the text, that is which actually the gender represents, that is a male or a female. So for this, simply what you need to do is, you can do it here also, but to show you the difference, I'll copy this and I will paste here. Copy and paste. First we replace the values in a gender. For that, select the column gender. Be sure that you select only a particular column. So we want to make a change in a column gender. So select the gender by clicking on the column name E. Then go to home, and here on the right side corner you will find and select. Click on the down arrow here and you will find a replace. Click a replace. A window will open. So here for what? In the gender 1, and you want to replace it with what? So with the male. Once you enter this, then click replace all. For replacement has been done. Okay. Then you can see that wherever there is a 1 is there, here you have a 1 which indicates the male is now replaced as a male, and here also you have a 1 which is replaced as a male. Next is that you have select the same column gender, then find what? Find 2, and now call this as a female. Then replace all. Now click OK and close. Now you can see here your options which you entered in the numeric now has a text. So 1 represents a male, 2 represents a female. Now you have a text, and using this you can easily perform the data analysis. Now similarly we do for a marital status. Here you have a marital status. Select the column G, then click home, then click on a find and select, then click replace. Now replace what? So replace 1 with 1 indicates what? Here you can see 1 is a married. Now replace all. Then OK. Next 2 replace with what? Unmarried. Then replace all. Click OK and close. So you can see now. So unmarried, here you can see the option marital status 2 unmarried, marital status 2 unmarried, marital status 1 married. So you can use either this table or this table. This is how you can convert the numeric entries into a variable option names. Thank you for listening the lecture.